Hello everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the indicator or the signal light on Suzuki sv650. This is a 2006 model, and let's start. The tools that required for this task, it's an 8mm spanner and a small flathead screw so you can pinch off the connectors. And I bought two sizes of Phillips screws, one a bit wider and one smaller, on the part that you need to change. As you can see, I bought aftermarket part, the light, which the connection is a bit different than the original Suzuki connector, and I will show you how we're gonna go around it and connect it to the bike itself. It does look a bit complicated, but it's not complicated. It's about 5 to 10 minutes job. So let's crack on first. The best way is to remove this plastic cover so we can have a bit more access to the light, to the connector. As you can see, we have replaced. Keep the screw. I put it all on a towel just so it doesn't scratch the light or all the plastics. So now, as you can see, this is the connector. As you can see, it's a bit different than those, but I will show you the way we're gonna go around. So at the moment, we're gonna use the small flat screw to pinch the edge of it so we can release it. It's quite difficult to see through this. As you can see, I pinched it from the side and I will pull it. I will pull the connector. Here we go. The connector is released. And then I need the 8mm spanner, and I will release from the inside. I will try to see, it's a bit dark. As you can see, there is this a nut here that you need to release it. It's exactly the same connected as this one. It's exactly the same. This is a bit wider. So this is the nut that we need to release. Okay, as I said again, 8mm spanner. Put it from the back, and then once you disconnect it, just hold the light so it doesn't fall. The issue was that I broke the left one and I needed to replace it. So rather than replace it so they look both odd, I want to replace both at the same time. As you can see, this is the holder. I'm gonna put it here. Just be careful from screws and stuff like that, as the nut fell down here. This is the annoying bit with these small parts. They fall in places that it's difficult to get. There's a hole here that we can. Sorry about that, it's a bit annoying. As you can see, we removed the small parts. So this is the old one and this is the new one. As you can see, both have different connections, and it's these ones that push in connectors, which is extremely difficult to take the wires out. So what I'm doing at the moment, I'm gonna open the cover of the light, can see. Let me choose the small one. That's why I have two sizes. Some are different than others. And slowly take the cover off. As you can see, this is how it's connected from inside. We remove this. The same as here, exactly the same, even that I bought that one on eBay. So it's not the original Suzuki one. So I'm gonna release the light housing, I think it's called. See, just a little bit need to unscrew it, and then this is off. So the best way to change that one is what I've done with the other one, the other side. I just released it from here, okay, and then took it out of here. So now I'm keeping the original and saving myself all the headache of trying to rewire these two. Okay, so let's keep all the new parts here. I'm gonna undo this, and again this bit, unscrew this some more light. As you can see, pulling this cable out. So that's what I need. I need just this cover. So at the moment, if you use the Chinese one, or I don't know where it's coming from, it's a bit thinner because it doesn't have this connector. So if you try to fit the connector, actually it's fitting. No, it would not fit in the other side, on this side. That's why I'm gonna keep the original one and just connect the original one. So let's try and put it on. Okay, it fits perfectly. And then I will put back the original light. So normally if you have a crash where you will break this, or even if you dropped your bike, you'll break the plastic, the cover, the housing, and maybe the light. Normally these will stay safe unless, God forbid, you bashed it really badly. So then you lose the whole thing. But otherwise, the wire and the connection for the light socket, I think, whatever they call this, it will stay safe. So it's easier than to just change that as I'm doing now. Okay, so this I need to do it. Okay, this is done here. Let me put the metal back. I think maybe I put it. I put the, where's the metal? Push it a bit in and put it that it goes in front of those two, the two plastic here. screw here. As you can see, we put the metal here and then we screwed the lamp with the housing to the lighthouse. So now we can put the cover back. I think this came with that. Let me choose this one, see. As this is aftermarket, you need to be very careful not to over tighten it, just a tiny bit like that, as the plastic will crack. Alright, so this is done. I'm gonna use the original one for what I have, not the one that I bought, because it's a bit bulky. So I'm gonna use the original one and connect it to the line, to the bike itself. As you can see, the 8mm spanner. I'm gonna put it in. First, let's connect the light. Let's bring it here. Connect it. Look at the pins where they come in. There's 2 pins only, which is for 2 wires, as you can see here. 1, 2. And you can see where's the 2 pins here. Normally it will go where's the pin itself, because otherwise it will not. Oops. When we connected it, we need to put this in and then put the wire through this plastic and then connect it. I've done this mistake previously, that I connected it before I put the wire inside the plastic. So it's done, as you can see. This is connected. Where's the screw gonna go? As you can see here, there's 2 pins here. Find the 2 wire. It will fit exactly as it's supposed to fit. Even if you done a bit of mistake, it will not fit. And now I put the nut back. Need to be very careful. Rather than taking the fairing, some people would take the whole fairing, and I think it's unnecessary. Anything you take off and put back, it's not going to go back as the manufacturing. Exactly 100%. So I've done it by hand, and then I'm going to use the 8mm pad just to have a last tighten up. It's quite confined area, can hardly put fingers. As you can see, it's perfect. Okay, let's put the cover. This is the only cover you need to be taken. Do not try to take the whole fairing, because it's a nightmare. This is gonna have to take the whole side, the whole front end. Some people like to do that. I personally don't. Otherwise, this job gonna be a few hours rather than just. It has a bit kind of lip that hold this side, and then oops, almost had the wrong. Sorry, it's the wrong screw. And that's it. All done, as you can see. On both. Let's test them as well. Both are done. This one. Right one. Left one, sorry. And the one. And the one, sorry, one that just connected. As you can see, right And this is the left. Let me change it. Perfect. All going perfect. All right. If you enjoyed that, please like and subscribe. Thank you very much, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.